An abandoned hangar, dust, silence, and a machine, once called a legend. It stood here for years, silent, waiting. But even beneath layers of corrosion, you can still hear a heartbeat. We strip it down to its foundation, to the final screw, to the last trace of yesterday. We are restoring character. Not just an engine, but a soul. Every bolt, every gear, every scar in the metal tells a story of strength. Steel breathes again, chrome catches the light, and fire is reborn across the hood. Red, blue, flames. No longer a ghost of the past, but a symbol of power. And listen to a legend awaken. Legends never die. They rise again.